Hey, got a quarter?
I used to go in every Saturday afternoon to see movies, and my grandmother we'd go to the movies. You know, my grandfather's out there.
After midnight, gonna let it all hang out. After midnight, we're gonna chug a lug and shout. We're gonna cause talk and suspicion, give an exhibition. We're gonna find out what it is all about. After midnight, gonna let it all hang out.
Scenes of such brutal honesty will be shown on this screen that we strongly recommend that impressionable young people, or those people of any age, who are upset or affected by scalpel slashing, arm twisting, axe hacking motorcycle maniacs, these people do not attend any showing of this film.
We're gonna cause talk and suspicion, keep an exhibition. We're gonna find out what it is all about. After midnight, we're gonna let it all hang out. After midnight, we're gonna let it all hang out. After midnight, we're gonna let it all hang out.